Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is a ham and Swiss cheese grinder. Doesn't that look delicious, everyone? Look at that beauty. Doesn't that look beautiful? And yes, we're going to have some Cheetos on the side. Very simple and easy dish to make tonight. We're going to keep it a little simple because it's a holiday weekend, and some people during these holidays go overboard with hamburgers and fried chicken and all that other happy baloney. I don't want to do that today, so I decided to go very simple and easy. A ham and Swiss cheese grinder with some nice greens and some nice Cheetos and a thing of iced coffee. A nice thing of iced coffee. Homemade iced coffee. Because I know how to make iced coffee, iced teas, all at home very cheaply. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out. Love you all. Amen.